at all, even.
Mel's going to try and attempt to put it back in his cage.
Nah, that head's dropping, mate. I'm not liking this. Get on. No.
He's just not loving us right now. And we've actually got something really exciting to show you guys.
You ever been chased by a chicken?
I've been chased by him down the hallway.
I've got an idea. Chicken. Is that wrong?
Well,
is it wrong to give a bird chicken because it's a type of bird?
Foiler's eaten it before though.
He's eaten another bird.
No, he's eaten chicken, yes.
Yeah, chicken's a bird.
Yeah, so he has. Yeah, get your fingers in there. That's a bit big.
That's average.
That. Okay.
Yours, bro. Yours.
No.
Ooh, that tastes like my cousin.
And let's go continue on with the other half of the video. All right, so we are back in the Anomalous Media garage with a touge.
Two 1Js.
Two 1Js.
Two 1Js.
Touge. So this is Ruben's. I think he's already given you guys an update on his, but last time you saw it was actually when I first picked it up, and then Ruben and I did a bit of a review on it.
I rate them, bro.
Which one, like, aesthetically would you rather, Ruben's or mine?
I don't know, man. Have you seen his water neck?
It's pretty bad.
Like there's things I like more about each other. I like the color of Ruben's more. I like your turbo more because it's bigger. I like your water neck more.
Bigger is better.
Bigger is always better.
But anyway, I'll give you a bit of a run through quickly on what I've actually got. So pretty much cleaned up everything. New water pump, new cam gears, new timing belt, sprayed the intake black because I reckon black looks sleeker. Clean up the block, it's all looking fresh now, the sump. Now I've done nothing internally, so this is going to be an unopened engine. We're going to see how much it can make. Anyway, we have the lovely Pulsar 3582. Yeah, Ruben's has got the 3076. So we actually compared them. We will probably do a video before this actually gets dropped in, which will be coming up soon.
I mean, isn't yours like just one size up really in what they offer?
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
So I don't think there's like much of a difference with the outer housing. It's more just the internal. And this has the T51R mode as well.
Nah.
Same as Ruben's with the lovely 6-boost manifold.
No, your front housing's bigger. And your rear housing's bigger.
You reckon?
Yeah, yours is big, bro. I'm jealous how big it is.
I haven't seen the S15 with the bonnet off the roof in a while. I kind of miss it, eh?
The bonnet on the roof?
No, the bonnet, like,
oh,
where it's meant to be.
You missed the bonnet on the
like,
roof.
It makes the car look like 100 times lower, and considering as well that it's on the trolleys.
I reckon your car sits lower than mine. Like, yours sits lower on those trolleys as well, yeah.
I can't give too much away of what I've got planned for this aesthetically. I've told Mel, but I can't tell you guys just quite yet.
We should go toad, like golfing. Like, we get a golf stick and just run and slog some toads. You just ran over one. Did you hear that? She just ran over one.
As we're talking about the slosh.
Should we go look at it? I feel like Americans wouldn't know what toads are, hey? Like, do they have toads?
Yeah, would they just call them frogs?
No, they're different. Oh, yeah, his guts are coming out his gob.
Oh. Oh, that's feral. I was hoping it was going to be water just purely because of the noise it made. Put this on. You come with me. You know, it took me ages to realise that the manifold was sitting in there.
Really?
I went to go move the box and I was like, oh, this thing's heavy. I was like, is this my manifold?
Looks good. They don't look that different until you look at the inducer size, like the actual turbine.
I got 10.
9. I'm actually keen to hear, because you've got the T51
as well, yeah.
as well. I'd like to hear the spool difference, because our setups are very, very similar.
Did you really think, like, after finishing this, that
No.
there'd be a garage with two 1Js?
No, I was like, I just spent my life savings in one car.
I remember you actually said to me, you were like, I think it was the day that I actually bought it, you were like, oh, I really like, I dreamed of this day where we could just have like JZs sitting around.
Yeah.
It's like, well, now we do.
And then I bought the Lexus and I was like, yeah, I just want something rear wheel drive.
Yeah. Now look, there's wheels, 1J, D56. Mel actually made a good point. He said, why don't you put the CD09 in that and the T56 in the 30?
Because I want to daily drive that.
Oh, true.
Imagine sitting with a
CD09 daily.
But when I rebuild this and I go for 1,000 horsepower so I can swing my, I'm probably gonna go a T56 and then like, I don't know, like a custom non-button twin blade or something. And then the screamer that's gonna blow your nan's off. It's gonna be sick, bruh. So I'm just gonna like open up a gate next to every P-plater I see. It's gonna be sick. To be honest though, I kinda want two-step with this, just for giggles.
Yeah.
Purely for the video.
Yeah.
Like the intro so I can be like,
no, but like,
what I actually really want is rolling anti-load. Imagine you're on a highway and you got that disgusting big turbo on there and
with a
just
rolling
full boost immediately.
straight away.
I was actually talking to Merrick, right? If I bought a 2J and just put rods in it, this should be good for like
Yeah, legit.
800. Like, I reckon you don't even need pistons, just rods.
Yeah. I think you need, bottom end you need, they recommend replacing like the rod bolts.
Yeah,
But you do that anyway with rods.
Well, rods come with them. They come with like
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So that and
I think that's all you
the
need.
pistons are forged, aren't they? Factory?
I think that's
I heard they were.
That's a myth, but I don't think so.
Maybe. I know the crank is forged.
The crank is forged, yeah, but I think the pistons is a myth.
Yeah.
So I actually was watching a video of Tristan's. It was still when this had the SR in it before I built it. He was like, so if you were to ever do a swap, what would you do? And he's like, don't say LS because I'll smack you. And I was like, nah, look, a JZ would be nice, but I'd want to keep it Nissan and go RB25. This was like 2 years ago and I was like, what have I done? In that period of time, I've built the SR, sold it, and then gone 1J.
I should have got an RB25. What do you think of the colour? Have
Mel,
you seen it?
Mel likes
yeah.
this better than mine,
I like the colour more than his.
but he likes my turbo more than yours.
It's bigger.
Obviously, yeah.
Bigger
He
ribbon.
likes my
is
manifold
bigger.
as well.
But
No, I like your colour, his turbo, his sump.
that's fair.
Oh yeah, I just wanted to get your opinion on what you think it looks like.
I hate it. Should have gone a real turbo. No, there's pulsar.
It looks fucking good.
It does.
And here's a turbo beanie. Let us know if you guys would buy one. I really hope you guys do enjoy the videos and let us know what you want to see more of. There's plenty more content being made and we're honestly hoping to start podcasts pretty soon, so that might be a new thing. So thanks again for watching and we'll see you on the next one.